Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are learning computer science with Python for class 11th. In this video we are going to learn about nested tuples. Nested tuples. When a tuple contains another tuple as its element, then that tuple is called a nested tuple. For example, A is equal to 11, Ria, and then we have a tuple 67, 77, 78, 82, and 80. This is a tuple whose at least one element is a tuple. Therefore, A is called a nested tuple. Tuple in tuple is called a nested tuple. Now, how you can access a nested tuple? Let's try it. Let's write T1 is equal to, can you tell me how many elements are there in T1? There are total 3 elements in T1. Press enter, there are total 3 elements in T1. And the tuple as an element of T1 is present at index number 2. So T1, 2 is a tuple. So that's how we reached to the tuple element. And if you want to access an element from this tuple, then go to that index. Writing here T1, 2 is this tuple, and then if you want to access an element at the index number 2, you type here 2 again. And here you got 78. So this is how you can access an element of the nested tuple. If you want to see type of T1, then type of T1 is a tuple. If you want to see type of T12, then type of T12 is also a tuple. As you can see here, type of T12 is also a tuple. But if you want to see type of T122, then T122 is just an integer. T122 is an integer 78. Press enter and T122 is an integer. Can you tell me length of T12? What is the length of T12? The length of T12 is 5. As you can see, there are total 5 elements in the tuple T12. So press enter, here you got 5. If you want to see how many times 11 appeared in T1, T1.count, what do you want to count? 11. So 11 appeared for just one time in T1. Now suppose that I am going to create a tuple like this, in which there is an element 11. Again count 11 in T1. Can you tell me how many times 11 appeared in this T1? The 11 appeared for just one time. The 11 appeared here in T1, and then 11 again appeared in the tuple T1 2. As you know that T1 2 is a tuple, so 11 appeared in the T1 2. But if you talk about T1, then 11 appeared only for once at this place. This is a tuple. This is not the number 11. Okay, this whole thing is a tuple. The 11 appeared as an element of T1 just once. So press enter, you will get 1. Of course, you cannot add the elements of T1 because they are not addable. Means one integer cannot be added to a string cannot be added to a tuple. So these are not addable. And at the same time, you cannot find their max and mean because these 3 elements in T1 are not comparable. Okay, 11 cannot be compared with Ria cannot be compared with this tuple, so these elements are not comparable. Similarly, you cannot use mean function also because the elements in T1 are not comparable. So that's all about nested tuples in Python for class 11th. Everything we have discussed in nested list are also valid for nested tuples. If you have gone through the nested lists, I think you feel much more comfortable with nested tuples too. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.